Brief introduction of CF Impact Crusher. CF400 Impact Crusher is a new type independently developed by Shanghai Hengyuan based on the relatively new crusher principle, absorbing the International Advanced Equipment core of the same model, and combining the specific working conditions of the domestic sand and gravel industry. Next generation counterattack crusher. It adopts better manufacturing technology, unique structure design, can process cubic, tension-free and crack-free products, and the grain shape is quite good. The working principle of CF Impact Crusher. The Impact Crusher developed by Hengyuan is a crushing machine that uses impact energy to crush materials. When working, driven by the motor, the rotor rotates at high speed. When the material enters the impact area of the blower, it hits and breaks with the blower on the rotor, then is thrown to the counterattack device and broken again, and then rebounds from the counterattack liner. Ray crushing in the hammer action area. This process is repeated. The material enters the first, second, third, and counterattack cavity from large to small, and repeated crushing until the material is crushed to the required particle size and discharged from the discharge port. Adjusting the gap between the counterattack frame and the rotor can achieve the purpose of changing the size and shape of the material. Performance characteristics of CF Impact Crusher. Hengyuan CF400 Impact Crusher has unique structure, equipped with high chromium hammer and unique impact liner. Suitable for hard rock crushing, high efficiency and energy saving. Adjustable discharge size, can simplify the crushing process, and has a large crushing ratio and efficiency. It has the advantages of high height, cubic product shape and selective crushing. Regardless of the series of jaw crushers, the working mode is driven and extruded, and the working principle is basically the same. The motor drives the belt and pulley, and the movable jaw moves up and down through the eccentric shaft. When the movable jaw rises, the toggle plate and the movable jaw, the angle between the jaws becomes larger, so that the movable jaw is pushed closer to the fixed jaw. At the same time, the material is squeezed to achieve the purpose of crushing. When the movable jaw goes down, the angle between the toggle and the movable jaw becomes smaller, and the movable jaw is on the pull rod. Under the action of the spring, it leaves the fixed jaw, and the crushed materials are discharged from the lower mouth of the crushing cavity.